Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discuss about DNF and yum commands, how it's work and which operating system it's work. Okay, and what is the difference and similarities in between DNF and yum command. Okay, so these are the topic we will discuss in today video. What is the difference between yum and DNF? What is a weak dependency? How we have to use hyphen best options, and what are the commands in yum4 module which is for the DNF, and what is the configuration file for the DNF in yum4 version. Okay, so guys, before explaining this, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon and the like button to make it most like video. So let's start. So basically, what is the difference between yum and DNF? DNF, first of all, you should know it is introduce new feature which is introduced in Red Hat operating system 8, and it's using yum version 4. In previous operating system which is 7 or 6, if you see, it was yum version 3. Okay, so here DNF stand for identified yum, which is next generations of version of yum is stand for yellow dog updater modified. Okay, so in Red Hat 8 we are using yum version 4, which is for the DNF command execution. Okay, so on this Red Hat 8, you also can run the yum command, because DNF is a symbolic link to yum command. So whatever command you was using in Red Hat operating system 7, you also can use in Red Hat operating system 8. So it's almost similar syntax, not much difference, only few difference is there. It use basically Red Hat Real 8 we use module yum module 4, and Red Hat 7 we use yum module 3, and DNF has more options and functions. So we will see in next slides, coming slides, what are the options and functions we can use in DNF options. Okay, let's move to the next slide. So what is the similarities? If you see, for installing update remove package, we are using this option, which is yum install, and it's similar like DNF install, yum update, DNF update, yum remove, DNF remove. So you can see these are the similar command syntax. Instead of yum, you have to use only DNF. Next, move to the next slide. So list, clean and repository data. Here what you can see, if you want to list the repository, so yum repo list, DNF repo list, similar yum clean and DNF clean. And you need to take a note of one important information: the update and upgrade commands perform the similar actions in DNF, while update and upgrade commands are not similar in yum. For update, you need to in yum you need to run the command update, and for upgrade you need to run the command yum upgrade. Okay, but in DNF it is performing the same function. So next, move to the next slide. Basically, what's the difference? Okay, so if you see, in yum command, basically we will see the dependency resolution. So this package is dependency, whether the dependency package is there or not. After the dependency package, then only you will see the number of package what we are going to install and upgrade. But in this case in DNF, you won't see any of the dependency resolutions. Similarly, if you see in yum commands, you will see downloading package. When you run the command, yes, you can see installing is downloading. But in case of DNF, you don't see this kind of functions or the activity. And repo query replaces dep list for the listing of dependency. If you want to see the listing of dependency for a particular package, you need to run the repo query commands options, In case of yum, it was dep list, that is for the listing of dependency. Weak dependency. So first of all, we need to understand what is weak dependency. Basically, whenever you want to update one package and the number of dependency package are there, and for the dependency package we don't have updated package, so in that case it can exclude the dependency package. Okay, so this we can explain with the help of one example. So as you can see, package A require package B and package C. Okay, so you can consider here package B is a hard package, which is for package A to be upgraded you require package B. This is dependency package, and this is weak dependency where package C, if updated version is not there, then, and it's a weak dependency, so for updating package A you simply can update after updating the package B to B1. You can see here, and you can see for updating package A to A1 you really don't require package C because it's a weak dependency. So you can use the options, you can use these options: yum install package, set op install weak dependency true. Okay, and this is for enabling and this is for disabling. If you don't have updated dependent package, so then you can mark this option as a false, and then your package will be updated without the dependency package update. So in DNF we have one of the option which is called best operation. So with the help of best operations, whatever package you want to update or upgrade, the system will update to the latest package. Okay, and for having the latest package you should have the dependent package also latest version available. If your dependent package latest version is not available, it will fail with the error saying the dependency package updated version is not there. Okay, and if you don't want to use with the dependent package updated version, you have to go hyphen no best options. In case if you are getting error, you can make it disable to update your system. So here this best options I can explain you one of the example. Let me open this one. So this is example. Let's say you have package A and you want to update it to package B. So for package A you need to update package A package, B package and C package. So if you see, for updating from package A to B you really require two package. Package B should be available, should be able to upgrade to B1, and package C, you should be able to upgrade C1. But as we don't have a available package for C, so it still will be able to upgrade it to package A1 with package C and B1 package. So this you can do with the options of hyphen no best. If you use hyphen best, then this will fail because this dependent package C1 is not available. Okay, so in case if you are getting error and you want to upgrade your package A1 but dependent package updated version C is not available, so you have two options: minus hyphen no best option. Okay, so now let's move to the next. So guys, hope this best option will explain to you. Next is modules. What are the modules? Basically modules are a bundle of RPM packages that you want to install in a one attempt, and that may be related to for particular applications or maybe particular profile. Okay, for example, you want to update maybe Perl package, so you just see module Perl, or you want to update genome package, so set of package will be installed with the help of module options. So let's see what are the options we have in module. So install and remove module, what you can do: DNF module install, DNF module remove for installing and removing, for listing DNF module list. and similar for DNF module information. Now let's move to the log locations. So in DNF log locations, we have log configuration file located at different location, which is var log, and under this you can see all the DNF related logs. You can see when you what are the functions you perform lastly, and all the history related things. Now the main important part, what is the configurations file for the DNF. So the configuration file for DNF is etc dnf.conf, and it's similar like yum3. It's use the repo, which is the location etc yum.repos.t. So here you can create your manual repo, and from there it will point to the repository. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, as well as please share it to your friends who really wanted to do this course. And if you really you want to do these classes online, please send your query and any information you want to get, please send email to biginfodatasystem@gmail.com. and moreover, you can get all my videos on this particular channel. If you are coming with your friends, then you can take advantages of a referral scheme where 50% discounts are giving. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.